Vusimatlala's funding was a usual thing that will happen, that usually happens during your January 8. Business people will fund tables, transportations. How could the investigation team, why did the investigation team in Gauteng end up giving him those communications, which I'm not denying? There are... You're not denying the communications between you and Vusi? No, I'm not denying. And for what Vusimatlala is arrested for is none of my business. If he's my friend or someone I know, has nothing to do with his arrest. He'll go to court and answer for that. Even when someone meets with the president or myself meeting with Matala, he never told me in advance, well, Baba, be careful. I'm a kingpin, I'm this, I'm that. We are meeting him as a business person. It doesn't necessarily say you are endorsing the person. And I believe the reason he kept the messages is because there was nothing wrong that you were doing. He could have deleted them. And General Mkhwanazi was going to stand there saying nothing about me and Vusimatlala. I know Vusimatlala.